Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many of us might face the issue of. It's frustrating when this problem arises, but worry not, as we have a solution that will help you resolve it in no time. So, let's dive right in and explore how to overcome this pesky. Now, let's talk about the solution to our riddle. The key to solving this problem lies in, by simply following the steps outlined in our solution, you'll be able to tackle this issue efficiently and effectively. Remember, patience is key when applying this solution. So take your time and you'll soon have everything back to normal. In a nutshell, the solution we've discussed is the perfect fix for just by implementing the steps we've highlighted, you'll be able to wave goodbye to this problem in no time. Remember, persistence is key, and before you know it, you'll have everything running smoothly once again. So there you have it. We've addressed the problem and provided you with a handy solution to combat it effectively. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.